welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jessica and I'm very happy to have you. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a Fab Fit Fun unboxing video. So for those of you who don't know what Fab Fit Fun is, it is a subscription box that you get seasonally, and it's got a bunch of different items in it, whether it's like jewelry, beauty, hair care, skincare. It's got clothing in it, and it's got some active gear in it, things like that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to put my referral link down below, so if you guys like what you see, you can go onto their website and sign up for a box yourself. You can get either one box or you can sign up for the whole year. It's up to you. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to use my phone as reference just so I can tell you guys the prices of things, well, what their retail value is worth compared to what I got the box for, and then read a little bit of the description about them. Okay, so as for the prices of the box, if you want to get a box just seasonally, like you want to pay as you go, it's $50 a box. I know that sounds expensive, but wait till you see what we get in them because it's amazing value. And then what I do is I do the annual seasonal membership, and that is $179 for 4 boxes. So you really get a good value out of that. So for the Spring 2018 box, this specific box, total retail value is $347.99. So if you go and you buy this box by itself from the website, it's for $50, and the retail value is $347.99. So that is an awesome deal right off the bat. Alright, so let's get to cracking on this. So I'm going to use my handy dandy little knife. It's not safe. Alright, so first off, all the Fab Fit Fun boxes come with this cute little magazine, and it has all this different stuff in it about the products that you get, different things that you can get from Fab Fit Fun, like the add-ons. And then also they usually always have a charity that they're working with. So for this season it is Girl Rising, and I'll put more information about that in the description box down below just so you guys can read up on it. And this is the cute little box it comes in. And that's so cute. So the first thing that I open up the box to see is $50 off HelloFresh. That's awesome. I really wanted to try this, so that's so cool. So it's $50 off and $25 off your first, so $25 off your first 2 boxes, equaling up to $50, and free shipping. That's awesome. I can't wait to try this. Okay, so much stuff. So the first thing right on top is Cosmeceuticals, and it is a lip statement palette. Alright, so the retail price on this is actually $42. It has 11 intensely pigmented shades and 1 balm, and it is enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera. And you can mix and match for endless color combinations. It's got a big mirror. I love big mirrors. Don't you love big mirrors? Ooh, they are really pigmented. I'm super excited to use this actually, guys, because I just did some swatches and look how super pigmented they are. I'm so excited for that. Ooh, and you can mix and match them, so that's great. You can make any color that you want, really. Right, so next up in the box are these super cute dangly tassel earrings. They are the Ettika Daydreamer tassel earrings, and the retail price on these is $58. And this is what they look like outside of the wrapping. Look how cute they are. Can't wait to wear these. These would be super cute with just like a plain black outfit and then just a pop of color on the ears. I love that. Alright guys, so next up is this bag from Rachel Pally. Look how cute that clutch is. So the retail price on this clutch is $60. So it is actually reversible, so you can have it all color, or you can switch it so that it's just got that little pop of color at the bottom. How cute is that? So next we have the Mural Skin Perfecting Lotion. I love this skincare brand. I use their face wash all the time. So I'm super excited to have this in the box. And like, I love, this is what I also love, is that they're all full-size products that come with Fab Fit Fun. You don't get any of like those little travel size products that you use like once or twice and then you don't really know if you know the product to buy it again. So this is awesome. Skin Perfecting Lotion. So it's a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that provides a shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. And that's really good because I am blemish-prone, so I'm all about that, girl. And the retail price on this little baby is $40. So, and you pay $50 for the box, guys. Come on, like, that's a no-brainer. What's next? What's this? Okay. Number 14, Super Bloom. Oh, it's a candle. Oh, that smells so good. And I love the rose gold. Oh, I cannot wait to light this later. This smells so bomb. My apartment's gonna smell so good after this. Okay, so this has basil, tangerine leaf, violet, geranium. I'm horrible at pronouncing things, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say that right now. So bear with me. I'll put the spelling at the bottom of the screen because I just don't know. Jasmine, rose, rosewood, cashmere, musk, and anise. It's from Anderson Lilley. And then the retail price on this candle is $45. It's an expensive ass candle. Oh, but it smells so good. I cannot wait. I really can't wait to light this later. For anyone that knows me, knows that I am obsessed with candles or like the diffuser, anything that like smells good and is like relaxing. Oh, I can't wait. I have a feeling it's gonna be my new favorite go-to candle when I get home from work. I'm just gonna lay out and relax. Alright, so my area is getting a little messy here, but we're just gonna keep on going with it. Next thing in the box is this little package here. Non-zipper. And they're lip masks. I'm so excited to use these. Oh my gosh. How many come in here? Alright, so it comes with 5 lip masks. It conditions, moisturizes, plumps, and hydrates. It's all natural, no parabens, no sulfates, no artificial dyes or fragrances. All natural collagen infused lip mask. I am super excited about these because my lips in the winter months, it just snowed the other day, are dry as, so dry. So, I feel like these are going to change my life. The retail value on these, on the set of 5, is $24.99. Alright, next up, this is from Dermalect. It is a peptide-infused anti-aging nail treatment. Ooh, and inside the box, there's a coupon for Ulta for 20% off of Dermalect. That's awesome. I love a good coupon. So it's a treatment that you can apply under your polish or as a base coat. The retail price on the Dermalect is $18. Alright, we're gonna keep it going. Okay, so the next product I'm super excited about. It is from Free People. It's an eye mask. It has an adjustable strap. It's gonna go to bed now, guys. Good night. So it's Free People and Understated leather. Eye mask is, the retail price of this is $40. It's vegan leather and it has a removable non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. Let's see here. I don't know how to get it out, but okay, so it comes with this little gel insert on the inside that you can pop like in the fridge or in the freezer or whatever for a few seconds and get it really cool. And then you take it and you throw it in here, shove it in there. And then you can pop it on your eyes and it will decrease like your puffiness, things like that. Or you can use it without the gel cooling pack, just as a regular eye mask, you know, on a long flight, if you need a nap during the day, because I know I do. And yeah. So last but not least, I don't know what this is. So this is a massage roller. I think like if you work out, you're supposed to like roll out like your muscles and stuff. I seen like workout gurus like roll out their legs like after like an exercise, but like they'll put this like on the ground and like go back and forth. Like, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so let's read up on it because I obviously have no idea what I'm doing with it. Physique 57 massage roller is $20. It does wonders for sore, achy muscles to improve flexibility, break up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. Just 5 to 10 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels. Alright, so maybe if I ever start working out again, never, I'll try and use this. I guess the purpose of it is to roll out your muscles so you're not as sore the next day or like whatever, so yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for the actual box, but I do want to touch base on the fact they do add-ons to your boxes as well. So for a really, really discounted price, you can get add-ons from all these different brands that you want to come with your box. In this box, I was like the most excited I've ever been for an add-on. So they had a Glam Glow bundle that I cannot wait to use. So I'm going to try and find the price of the bundle. Okay, so my Glam Glow bundle for these 3 items was only $29. So for those of you who do use Glam Glow, you know how expensive they are and what a great deal 3 products, even if they are like kind of mini, $29 is. And they're not even that many. The first Glam Glow product, we got the Youth Mud mask, and I've been wanting to try this, so I'm so excited. It's like this is like a regular travel size, which I think they usually sell at Sephora for like $24, correct me if I'm wrong. So the whole bundle for $29, like come on now. And the next thing that they have is a Glam Glow Pout Mud. It's a wet lip balm treatment, and it's in Birthday Suit. It's a sheer tint, and I've actually really been wanting to try this as well. Again, my lips get super chapped, so anything that can help them, I'm all about. And it comes in a really neutral shade, so you can wear it all the time. Super excited to try that. Then, last but not least, is the Glam Glow Plump-rageous Matte Lip Plumper Treatment. And it is a lip plump. I don't know what I just have it. Why is it? Oh. So you twist it open apparently, pull this out, and this is the applicator it comes with. And this is like a brownish nude color, and it's a lip plumper. So I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand. I feel like this was a bad idea because it's probably super tingly, so I probably shouldn't have done this. So it is like a brownish shade. That's the shade right there for you all to see. So again, can't wait to try that out. I will try it. Maybe I'll try it on a video and let you guys know how I like all the products. But yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. And if you want to see more unboxing videos like this one, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Can't wait to see you all again.